there, fellow video enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, Blessing. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore not just one, but two fantastic ways to crop your videos using Adobe Premiere. Cropping is an essential skill that can add focus, creativity, and impact to your video project. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The first method is the crop effect. To apply this effect, do the following to get this done. You want to ensure that you've imported your video footage into Premiere Pro. Drag and drop your video onto the timeline. Then navigate to Effects panel and search for the crop effect. Apply the effect to your video clip by dragging it onto the clip on the timeline. In the Effects Control panel, you will find the crop effect setting. Here, you can manually adjust the crop by entering values for the top, bottom, left and right edges. To maintain the aspect ratio, simply click the chain icon between the width and height values. Once you are done cropping your footage, for a more interactive approach, you can make adjustments to the crop effect. So to ensure that your footage is fit on the project monitor, go to Effect Control, make adjustments to the position and scale the footage to fit into the project monitor. So if you want to add some animation to your video, select the footage you want to crop, then pull the cursor back to the very beginning and go to Effect Control to create a brand new keyframe on the left by pressing the stopwatch icon or the toggle animation button. Move a few frames to the right and then we'll increase this value. If we play back the video, we'll got this animating crop effect happening on our video. The second method is the masking technique. Now let's explore another method using masking. To do this, first navigate to Effect Control, then go up to Opacity. Select the pen tool in opacity and draw a rectangle shape with the pen tool. You can use the selection tool to adjust its shape and position to make the area you want visible. To blend the edges of your mark smoothly, you can apply feathering. Increase the feather value in the Effects Control panel. Additionally, you can expand or contract the marks using the expansion parameters. So to animate the marks, enable the keyframes for the marks part. Then move along the timeline and adjust the marks to your desired position, and Premiere Pro will automatically create keyframes. So here is our final result. And there you have it, two fantastic ways to crop your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you prefer the precision of the crop effect or the creative control of masking, both methods are incredibly useful for enhancing your video project. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your crop video project, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep experimenting and creating amazing videos.